How Ukrainian gamers are helping to attack Russian soldiers.
This video shows a DJI Mavic Drone pilot being attacked by a Russian anti-aircraft missile. Drones have been extensively used by Ukrainian defense forces to oppose the Russian invasion. The Ukrainian soldier called Volodymyr Dhammika discusses how he and other Ukrainian forces are utilizing drones to attack Russian soldiers in an interview with CNN's Aaron
I
Burnett.
was a guy who flying, we have a commander and a guy who actually my security teams. I was in the bushes just watching so I wouldn't be killed.
Well, this is Vlad Demchenko's map of Novi Bykov, the town we're standing in. He made it using his drone. You can see he circled target after target.
Drones have long been used by local hobbyists and video game enthusiasts to assist the Ukrainian military.
And they have a connection with artillery and we was like working on each target. So we put our priorities and step by step and you just like...
The Ukrainian military even called for drone pilots, because the intelligence they can gather from the sky is so important to the war effort. However, according to Dhammika, it has been more difficult and dangerous for Ukrainian drone pilots in recent weeks, as DJI has provided the Russians with the tools they can trace the Ukrainian drones they need to strike. As a result, the pilots' tactics has altered, and they now rarely land their drones exactly adjacent to their location, preferring to wait a while before retrieving them. However, Dhammika does not appear to believe that anything has changed on the ground in Ukraine. He claims that he and other drone pilots would prefer to switch to an American drone manufacturer, so that the Russians would be unable to trace their movements as they supposedly can currently with DJI Aeroscope.
And you're flying really low, like 10 meters, and only next to their position you're going up, making a search, like making a pictures, making a video, and coming back like in very different directions, so they can't track you in a straight way. By now, I personally know 3 guys.
According to Dhammika, the Russians recognize the importance of drone intelligence to Ukraine's security and reward its forces with smokes for shooting them down.
Of course, if they're just youngest guy, like 18 years old, nobody will send them like to liberate the villages. But they can do their job sitting from like 5 kilometers away, just like, it's kind of fun for them. How to fly drone? I said, yes, definitely, of course.
Despite this, he claims they are mostly unsuccessful since the drones are small and tough to
You were
get.
just on your own practicing.
Yeah, I don't say anybody that I did it only once in my life, but you just, I don't know.
You learned on the fly.
Yeah.
Wow.
Please subscribe.